You claim say you bad little boy, you a liar. Make a demon rise, say you try, say you prayer. Now here man, this the time me gunfire. You shouldn't fuck around this Spartan empire.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And Tamily, regroup the Spartan them and forward back with Spartan Empire. That's the music video along with the song. You see me? So me are telling the people it bad and guess what me I go do? You know what? Me I go review it. We are going to review it and chop it up fine in a little bits and pieces so you can understand what's happening, what's going on. So you know what more you do? Just sit back and enjoy this review. And remember, I said this I got dark team on them.
Every know what they done, you know. The man, you know. The one, you know. Right now, me are
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we said check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
And YouTube, you know. Come in, say YouTube, that tube, and such tube. Yo.
Yeah. Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Break it, chop, I said.
It's exploding right now.
I swear, me need to hurry up and finish my studio, you see it? Because them video ya, and a review you have to do for them video ya, a reaction you have to do for them video ya, you see me? And just because everything no finish up, because me know say uno don't want to see the look on my face a while ago, and people want to understand literally. As me go about and I edit this video, at the first time I really watch it, I sit down and I watch it. So, I mean, that with the girl in the blue eyes in the back seat, yo, that's shocking, like, whoa. I said, ja. I guess when Tommy Lee did say, yo, he would have sent one of your demon, one of them demon girl come murder, yeah. I think I know that demon song. Yeah, where go again? Somebody comment in that comment section. Can't remember. When you say, yo, me will send one of your demon girl come suck off your cock and murder, yo. This me now. Alright, anyway, still, back to Spartan Empire. On the most do always song me at that.
Where's your brother? Them have it.
So, me have to commend Yard Boys production and Boss Lady Music for this music video. Well, me don't know which one of the entity them shoot it, but either way, at them response for the project, so at them we have to give the credit to include it Tamily as well. You see me? You can see say this is going to be a well put together music video, and we like the music video like them here. It clean, it a tell a story, and you can see say the acting them good. You see me? It's not like say them piece it together. You see it and just fling on one any color on it. You see me? Hey, me hate to see the video them in a Jamaica where them shoot them and they don't really look good. But me still have to big up the video industry in a Jamaica right now because we have produced some very good videos. Anyway, still back to the music video.
You claim say you bad little boy, you a liar. Make a demon rise, say you try, say you prayer. Now here man, this the time me gunfire. You shouldn't fuck around this Spartan empire.
So people, this is not only just a bad video, but it's also a bad song to match the video. You see me? These are the Tamily where we know about. These are the Uncle Demon Tamily. These are the Demon Tamily where we know and most people love. A lot of people hate still. But Tamily still having fan base. You see me? And Mrs. said the feds them come like say, yo, them want change Tamily in I'm craft. When Mr. change Tamily is like, yo, me not literally mean like say them a tell himself a change, you know. But to how them a pressure him from what you know with the court case and they lock up with them, they lock him up what and all these things. Like them a pressure him for change the demon persona. Yo, me telling you something. Me, I am not necessarily a fan of the demon persona personally, you see me? But if it a work for him, it a work. You see me? Everybody knows say yo, I just music. So why them a try change him image? You see me? It's called art. So that a theme art form make him express theme art form. You see me? And the people them love it. Me know say Spartan fans are watch my channel right now and them love it. You see me? So that a fit them thing. And once it a work for you, continue do it.
Shouldn't pass the place, you just shouldn't know your limit. Woulda kill the pussy but them shit wait look a bit. Trigger finger never stick, and me gun they never bust. Lady play with the trigger like she play with a clip. Show you use them out so much you make she bust a pussy lip. Endless body now the swamp, watch a big man a stream like.
I swear it look like say me have to go do one separate review for the song itself, because to all the song bad and the music video itself bad, me not think say it can do in a one review. You feel so? So people, tell me what you think about the song and tell me what you think about the music video so far. You see me? You like it? You feel like say it too graphic? You feel like say it too serious? And you feel like say the little kids them will watch it and feel like say yo them want act out what go on in it? Tell me what you think in the comment section.
Say you bad little boy, you a liar. Make a demon rise, say you try, say you prayer. Now here man, this the time me gunfire. You shouldn't fuck around this Spartan empire. Cause anyway you run, go with this, so we a run to. Nobody can save the demons a hunt you. Bitch to the legion, love to see blood to. Help and hurt, and the sister that he come to.
And that right there, I'm a favorite scene in the whole entire music video. You see me? Me never had enough, but that music video, it choreographed very good. And that's why I'm tell you say, yo, me can review both the song and the music video, because both of them is so excellent, yo. Them deal with good, you see me? To all the camera personnel did a walk away from the shot, from the subject I should say, and then you can see say the girl was the subject, the blue eye girls, I could call her the blue eye girls was the subject, and then everybody just put them on over. I don't know, yo, for me that just look artistic, you see me? And there's a lot of artistic scene as well in this music video, so you can also tell me your favorite line out of the song and tell me your favorite part in the music video down in the comment section. Make you watch a little more part right now.
Kick back a drink a beer, bun a spliff, and a think bout how for your place to visit. Shouldn't pass the place, you just shouldn't know your limit. Woulda kill the pussy but them shit wait look a bit. Trigger finger never stick, and me gun they never bust. Lady play with the trigger like she play with a clip. Show you use them out so much you make she bust a pussy lip. Endless body now the swamp, watch a big man a scream like bitch.
So people, before I cut, I want to talk about this. I mean, I hope you notice how Tommy Lee are going good from what day. You notice how Tommy Lee's song them a connect from what day. Tommy Lee released about 3 or 4 songs where me like personally. You see me, them are going good. Them are do the numbers. They might not be the top song, as in top 1 song. You see me, but them a do what them supposed to do, you see me? And Tommy Lee have a buzz right now, and me a pray say all the hope say as Tommy Lee goes a booms and get back the buzz there, in no problem with the law again. Because if you notice Tommy Lee career, you know, every time Tommy Lee goes a booms and get back a little hype, him get back a little buzz, him name a talk, him song them a play, and all of these things, it's like the feds just target him and just probably lock him down and say yo you can't travel, or say yo we are gonna put you in a jail for 2 months or 2 weeks or whatever the case may be. What do you know in the war with him and Jamil, you know, regardless of what the outcome or who feels say who win or whatever, Tommy Lee was the man, Jamil was the man. And what them do? Them go so booms and lock up Tommy Lee and then circulate incriminated images. That's the pitch that where them did that circulate, where them taking him. You see me? Me never want to repeat it because I don't want people getting ideas. You see me? But I hope everything go good this run. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And if you like this review, just click the like button. And if you don't, well, comment and tell me why you don't like it. You see me? Probably you're not necessarily a Sparta fan. But once you're a fan of the music, once you're a fan of the dancehall culture, you have to like this. Even though still our kind of different demon culture, something this. Anyway, still, yo, the creativity, you have to respect that. It's very, 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 very creative, you see me? So, on and on, me give the music video, let me say 10. You see, we can't give a music video less than 10. So, for down in the comment section, let me see who me I go big up this time. Which comment me I go read aloud. So, on the previous video, which I did with Elephant Man and Beanie Man Saga, Chocolate May commented, love it. Years back, I saw artists clash, especially Christmas a come. Bring back the war vibes, me like it as long as no physical war. Me good, hashtag Grinch Christmas. And people who can go check out that video there, me I go link it at the end of the screen, you see me? So it's a boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.